Hurricane Erin has made history after exploding in strength over the Atlantic Ocean, undergoing one of the fastest periods of rapid intensification ever recorded. The storm jumped from a Category 1 hurricane with 75 miles per hour winds Friday morning to a Category 5 powerhouse with sustained winds near 160 miles per hour just over 24 hours later. That rate of intensification places Erin among the fastest strengthening storms in Atlantic history and may mark the quickest intensification prior to September 1st on record. Though Erin briefly weakened to Category 4 on Saturday, forecasters expect it to regain Category 5 strength as it completes an eyewall replacement cycle, a process that could make the storm much larger. Why Erin stands out. One of only 43 Category 5 Atlantic hurricanes on record. 11th since 2016, underscoring the increasing frequency of the strongest storms. Fourth straight hurricane season to feature a Category 5 storm, following Beryl and Milton in 2024. Unusually early for such an extreme storm, as most Category 5 hurricanes form later in the season. Scientists warn that the ocean's unusually warm waters, fueled by human-caused climate change, are making rapid intensification more common. Hurricanes are drawing on higher sea surface temperatures to strengthen at breakneck speed. Current track and impacts. As of Saturday night, Erin had sustained winds near 150 miles per hour and was positioned about 150 miles northeast of San Juan, Puerto Rico, and 160 miles northwest of Anguilla, Puerto Rico. A flash flood warning remains in effect for northern regions. Turks and Caicos and Leeward Islands, tropical storm watches are posted. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico ports. Several ports are closed by U.S. Coast Guard order. While Erin is forecast to curve north into the open Atlantic between the U.S. East Coast and Bermuda, forecasters caution that even a slight shift could change the risk outlook. Regardless of its exact path, Erin's expanding wind field will generate dangerous surf, rip currents, and rough seas along the Bahamas' U.S. East Coast and Atlantic Canada into next week. Rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches, with isolated amounts up to 6 inches, are possible across parts of the Caribbean, raising the risk of flash floods and mudslides. Seasonal outlook. Erin is the first major hurricane of the 2025 Atlantic season, following 4 earlier systems, Andrea, Barry, Chantal, and Dexter, none of which strengthened beyond tropical storm status. Although Erin formed a few days later than the seasonal average first hurricane, August 11th, the broader outlook remains active. The Climate Prediction Center continues to highlight the Central Atlantic as a hotspot for potential storm development through early September, right as the season's peak period begins. With ocean temperatures running well above normal, forecasters expect above-average activity through the heart of the hurricane season, which typically spans mid-August through mid-October.